Hello class, these are the following two assignments for today and tomorrow. So the first one that you're going to go ahead and click on is going to be literary devices in the Outsiders. Again, I can see who I assigned it. I assigned it to the whole class. It's telling you here it's worth 100 points. Let me click on it again. So here are the instructions for this assignment. Literary devices in the Outsiders by S.E. Hinton. Please click the video link. So the video link is down here. I'm embedding all the video links and the assignments within the classwork, and it shows up on your stream as well. So please click on the video link. As you watch the video, answer the following questions. I am already having the questions here so you can preview as you're going. Number one, write an example of alliteration based on the video. How is the video referencing alliteration in it? Number two, what is the definition for the word illusion? Number three, what example of illusion did the video mention? So it cites, I think, one or two examples. So choose one and explain it there. And number four, write the definition for foreshadowing. Okay, so that one is going to be here. I also attached the Word document already here for you, so you should be able to just download it. Sometimes, I don't know, some of you have sent emails saying that you don't have access to it. I've already changed the settings on that, so it should automatically let you just download the Microsoft Word. I'm doing everything on Microsoft Word for you, so it's easier. You can just type on it. Now, the video also is only about 3 minutes, so it should play for you, and it's only about the 3 minutes that you need. So if it asks you to register as a student or a teacher, disregard that. You don't have to watch it. I came up with the 4 questions based on the length of that video. So again, you don't have to register for anything. Just watch those 3 minutes of the video, and that'll be enough for you to complete the assignment. Okay. So next over here, we also have another assignment. Let me return over here. Okay, this is the second assignment that you're going to have due. Again, it's already assigned to everybody in the class. You can see it's worth 100 points. Let's go ahead and click on the instructions. Right here I put, please watch the instructional video on literary elements, and then open the assignment to complete the work. So here's the video. I directly link it so you can just pull it up and play for you. Okay, and here's the assignment. Again, it is in Microsoft Word, so all you just have to do is download it in your browser. I'll double check the settings again, but I should have it already for everybody to be able to download, so you don't have to request access to view it or anything like that. I'll double check again after the video. So again, you're looking at literary elements. Let me just briefly go over it. These are the basic literary elements that we go over. You have setting, characters, plot, conflict, narrator, theme, mood, and tone. So right here, you can give me a definition. Give me the definition from the dictionary, from online dictionary. The sentences, I would like you to write a sentence, maybe referencing The Outsiders. Since we are going to go ahead and do a whole unit on The Outsiders, maybe mention the characters, the sentence. Pony Boy is the main character in the selection The Outsiders. The conflict in The Outsiders is the narrator from The Outsider tells us a story about. Okay, so I would like to see you tie in your sentences to The Outsiders. So obviously the definition is going to be the dictionary definition, what the actual academic vocabulary word means. But your sentences, I would like to see referencing of The Outsiders. Okay, so once you're done with those assignments, please make sure to go ahead and submit. You are able to comment here, so I want to see your comments, your questions, your concerns. If you're shy and don't want to go ahead and just comment to the whole class, you're able to email me. You can send me a message on Remind, and I'll answer as soon as I can. I have everything linked to my phone, to my laptops, the iPad, and my desktop, so I'm able to get your message, and I'm usually able to respond very quickly. I will be posting videos weekly. Last week I posted more instructional videos for you as well. This Friday, make plans to meet on Google Meet. I will be going over questions, concerns, and I'll be letting you know if I had to call your parents again. We do have to have that connection there since it's going to be online teaching for probably until May the 4th. That's what has been told to us as of right now from TEA and our governor. So make sure you are working on it. The packets, if you're picking up the packet from school, it's the same exact thing. I added pages to your packet and stuff like that, so there shouldn't be any difference on it. Hopefully not. But let me know if you need any help, and I'm here available to assist you always. Have a great day.